I am Marcy Williams, and I am the CEO of RKW Residential. I love Radix. I really enjoyed the product and the people that we worked with at the company. RKW uses Radix really in multiple ways. One, we use it at the properties. The community managers and the leasing consultants are using it on almost a daily basis. The regional managers are using Radix on a weekly basis when they're looking at rents and looking at the market to determine what we want to do with the rents and how we want to position ourselves within the market. Our regional VPs are using it for spot check and looking at the performance of their portfolio. Really, almost everybody in our organization is using it. Radix streamlines our market survey process. It really helps, the people on site not have to call the other communities to get the market survey information, really using the sharing process to be able to get the information immediately. And then for our analysts, looking at the market surveys as they're comparing our communities with other communities, not having to call, just using the data that's already there. It is very important to have market survey level data. It's important because we are making pricing decisions based off of the data that we're receiving. The data is very streamlined and easy to read. It's accurate and timely, so we can make decisions in the moment if we need to, but we can also use it from a trend perspective to see how the properties have been performing, how the market's been performing, and then we can predict what's going to happen in the future and make smart decisions based off of that. Our team uses the Radix Pro Forma, and we use that when we're working with a client that's looking in a market that we might not be in. We can create the custom market surveys and pull in the communities that make the most sense for that project. And our analysts are using it all the time when we have a new property come on. And what that's doing is we can utilize that pro forma market survey to be able to make smart decisions to see what's happening in the market from a rent perspective to help us create an entire pro forma for a new property. And then the property is set up, and then we can transfer that when we are either managing the community or when the project's built. We've got that baseline data that we can build upon as the market continues to expand and contract. I really think that everyone within the Radix organization has always strived to help our organization be better. From the first time we started rolling this out, I think we started out with a handful of communities that were utilizing the Radix platform. And once we were able to understand the platform, understand the benefits of the platform, we rolled it out to every single one of our communities in our platform and haven't looked back.